my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade 211 Red Infallible. I love this product.
I have been a huge fan of the Infallible lipstick collection for a very long time. This one's no exception. So this is going to be kind of a red with more of an orangey undertone. So it is very beautiful, and as you can see, very, very pigmented. I love the wand applicator. It is like the perfect wand, and you get so much more product than you'd imagine in that little tube right there. So you apply your lipstick, let it dry down, and then you apply this balm that basically seals it in, and it will last all day long. So once you use the balm, you can see it also gives a pretty nice shine, and I like that it doesn't dry out your lips so much as you would think with a dry down liquid lipstick that literally lasts all day. Look at this swatch test right here. Wild. I absolutely love it, and it is a really, really pretty red. Definitely one of my go-to lipsticks.
So if you're looking for a really nice red that's going to last you all day long, I highly recommend you check this out right here, and that is my point of view.